Hello everybody, Dr. Brad. I'm a Burlington chiropractor at Life Chiropractic Center. And last time we learned how chiropractic adjustments can help people who suffer from the lung disease emphysema. And today I would like to expound on that. Now remember that one of the primary functions of posture quadrant number 2, which is your thoracic spine, your rib cage, your shoulder girdle, and your arms, is breathing or respiration. Now your diaphragm, which separates your chest cavity from your abdominal cavity, is your true breathing muscle, and on average you should be taking between 10 and 14 breaths per minute. Now things that can alter your breathing are positional changes, your emotional state, your activity level, of course diseases like emphysema, wearing garments that are too tight, and of course postural distortions. Now your most efficient breathing is diaphragmatic breathing, where oxygen is drawn into the deepest and widest part of your lung tissue. And this can only happen with balanced and erect posture in quadrant number 2. Now, a slumped posture with a rounded upper back, which is the most common posture distortion in quadrant 2, does not allow for a full range of motion of your diaphragm. Therefore, lung function and oxygen uptake will suffer, and the rest of your body will become starved for vital oxygen that is required for most every function that takes place. Now, this type of posture is now evident in children due to the stresses of modern technology, but the lesson we should really learn here is from our elders, because in the elderly population, slumped posture increases their chances of stumbling and falling. Elderly people with slumped posture are 3.5 times more likely to end up in a nursing home compared to people who have good posture. And this type of posture also increases your risk of developing atherosclerosis or heart disease. So it is critical that as soon as posture distortions are identified in quadrant number 2, they need to be corrected immediately. And this is where I can help you as a chiropractor and a certified posture expert. This is what I do. All you have to do is give us a call, schedule an appointment for your free consultation and free posture check. We have office hours here on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and most Saturday mornings. And our phone number here in Burlington is 905-335-5433. And don't forget, we do also offer family appointments because spinal problems do tend to run in families. And please be sure to join us again next week.